had an opportunity with a large company that is servicing the oil and gas industry. This company basically does compressor sets, among many other things that they provide to the oil industry. So we came very excited about the opportunity to work with this customer. As usual, we have a plan in mind. We have a schedule, a plan, how we're gonna demonstrate the product. And you're kind of always thinking on, if this happened, then I'm gonna go this way. If I'm gonna test the product this way, this is the result that I'm expecting. But my plan include basically just applying the product, being able to show a pump former because it's one of the devices that we wanna present to the customer. So the plan was to use the pump former, get behind, the pressure washer, and just do what we know how to do. It's just to clean and show them how good the product cleans. But the superintendent from that location say, no, I want to do it myself because I want to try it and feel, how the product works and see if it really cleans compared to what we are used to. So, we have to adapt, and it was a tweak in like 2 or 3 minutes. You say, okay, how we're gonna apply the product, because it was supposed to be applied with a foamer. Now we have to use a pressure washer. So how we're gonna deliver the chemistry to the application, then we figured it out, made a secondary container, downpour into that container, connected to the pressure washer, and then start kind of playing a little bit with the dilutions, just trying to make the math, quick math on what is the concentration that we're gonna deliver to that customer, because we were expecting one concentration. Happened that the concentration that we were delivering in that first pass to the equipment was even weaker to what we were expecting. So you are like afraid of, is the product gonna work? So it was working really good actually, but you never know until you get that feedback from the customer. So I was in person interacting with the superintendent, asking him questions, stopping by sometimes and asking him if he can redo this area here. But one moment in time, he just stops the test and we were like, okay, what's going on here? And then he says, well, the product is going really, really well. Even though that the product is diluted out more than the regular concentration that we will use with the competitive product, it's cleaning much better. It's cleaning much faster. And I'm seeing the results right there. So that's how this whole story ended. It was a great success, customer that we have right now as an official customer for the company and expecting to grow from there to their other locations.